Hey guys, so today I'm going to try out these new MECCA Max lip plumping masks. I don't really know exactly where the heck they came from, but my auntie went to MECCA like a few days back and then I think they were just handing these out. It's just like a single use lip mask. That's what it claims that it is. Let's be real, even my friggin' lips aren't that big, so I don't know how most people can even use this. I'll just quickly read out what is supposed to happen. So amp up your power pout with the ultimate lip savior. This rose water infused jelly lip mask replenishes the skin to help plump and maintain shape for full kissable lips. Okay, sure. Application: remove from tray and place patch onto lips cleansed of makeup. I removed my lipstick before. Check out my other video if you haven't seen it already. I did this makeup look and I love how it turned out. So wear this for 10 to 20 minutes and then when the time is up, remove it from lips and gently pat to absorb the water, I guess, or whatever it is. So, oh my god, I'm going out to the gym after this, so I hope it doesn't like dribble all over my foundation because this took a long time. And I know that the Huda Beauty foundation, it's not really good when it comes to like sweat and stuff, like it goes all weird, so I'm crossing my fingers that this just stays on my lips and doesn't be weird. It's stuck in this package somehow. Oh, whoops. Okay, taking it out. What the? Okay, so what? Oh my god. Ah. Okay, got it. Place onto lips. Ah. Oh my god. Okay. Bye. Ah, okay. Put the stuff in. Whoa. Whoa. My lips bigger. Okay, so I just had that on for 15 minutes and like while I had it on, like I could kind of feel like my lips getting sucked. Like they did actually kind of feel like they were plumping up, which is like really weird. And they do, yeah, I think they do look a bit more plump than they did before. So I'll get like my lips at the start of the video and do a comparison to how they look now. If there is a difference, which I can feel there is, it would be the smallest difference like in the world. It wasn't too horrible, but like the only thing is like the application is huge. I don't think anyone really has lips this size unless they intended this for someone who has lip fillers, because maybe their lips do look like this, like Kylie Jenner or something. But yeah, it's just like a jelly feeling. It was wet. It's not sticky or anything when you have it on. It didn't really affect my makeup, although it is a tiny bit wet, but like nothing like dragged off or anything. So if you do it after your makeup, like everything's applied, then that's okay. I don't know how long this is supposed to last for. I'd say like half an hour maybe or something. Yeah, but it was interesting. I wouldn't like spend my money on it. Like getting it as a sample was cool, but that's about it. I do have one more left, which I guess I may as well use at some point. But yeah, if you guys ever try this out, like let me know how you went. I think it does work, I don't know. Maybe should I apply like a lipstick? I'll do that and I'll be back. I have the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick here, which I will apply. And this is the final result. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was like really interesting to film, so I hope you enjoyed watching it just as I enjoyed filming it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See ya!